Fashion, being a medium of expressing the best in taste, will always find its purpose in fulfilling our most desirable needs. In an industry that thrives on constantly evolving trends and style statements, we established ourselves as a catalyst for making authentic and high-quality fashion easily accessible. We are Lamos, a leading shoe manufacturing firm in Agra and a proud supplier of top footwear brands in India since 1975. With a capacity of producing 5,000 pairs of shoes per day, we have a successful track record of millions of pairs sold in the past few years. Our pioneering USP lies in the very fact that we are one of the only companies providing affordable shoes handcrafted on a conveyor line setup. Our economies of scale make it possible for us to do so versus our competitors. And so, this is what we are here for. We create with an edge to help upgrade your expression and experience in every aspect. Being a unique amalgamation of separate ventures, Lamos has been primarily guided to inspiring heights under the leadership of these visionary innovators. Ajay Manchanda, Chairman. With a noted competence in strategic thinking, creative analysis, and an eye for fashion, our indomitable chairman is always on the move to amplify and strengthen the goals of this firm. Nakul Manchanda, Managing Head. Graduation from Delhi University. Footwear production and planning from the College of Fashion. Masters from SP Jain College, Mumbai. Work experience with Ernst & Young to his credit. The very fabric of this organization has been emboldened and enriched by the dynamic portfolio of Mr. Nakul Manchanda. Nishtha Manchanda, Operations Head. A vivacious spirit and quick-witted with formidable organizational skills are just some qualities that help our operations head scale up team productivity and integrity while driving the company upwards with exceptional results. S. Lamos Shoes, an ISO 9001 original footwear manufacturing company with a capacity of 2 million pairs a year. We procure tested raw materials to mechanized plants, followed by meticulous supervision by teams of supervisors with educational qualifications from FDDI and CFTI at every stage of production. 3 stringent rounds of quality checks are done at warehouses and factories to ensure zero negligence in the efficacy of our products. With more than 45,000 square feet of the total area available under S. Lamos Shoes, we are thus capable to churn out 150,000 pairs of handcrafted footwear every month. Ajay Buying House Private Limited, a prominent apparel and domestic buying house for footwear, bags, belts, wallets and sports goods with a pan-India network and looking to make a substantial international clientele. As a leading domestic buying house, we have 1,000 registered vendors across footwears, bags, belts, wallets, apparel and sports goods with the advantage of bulk purchase discounts. We provide consultations on processes of targeted product buying, price quotations, range development, merchandising and end-to-end sourcing, making us the one-stop solution for leading modern-day retailers and brands. Nakul, with his immense technical and commercials knowledge in the industry, also happens to be one of the co-founders of Eon Sports India Private Limited, the official licensee of Virat Kohli's eminent brand 18 Select, dealing in formal footwear, socks and others. Being one of the co-founders of 18 Select, along with exemplary dedication and noted business prowess in the footwear industry, led Mr. Nakul Manchanda to directly work with the maestro Virat Kohli himself. The foundation of our business is built upon the pillars of trust, hard work, and persistence. We believe in constantly striving to enhance the standard of our products and services while making sure to never give up and crack through any obstacle we face on the way. Be it sourcing of raw materials, factory operations, or product deliveries and financial compliances, our years of experience and unparalleled expertise in a wide range of services is what sets us apart in the footwear industry even today. Our team of experts engage with clients at every level to provide them with the most seamless buying and selling experiences. Right from consultation, guiding, and transportation to connecting you with the best vendors. We oversee all procedures with the highest care, quality, and precision to help you make the most fruitful decisions for your business. Though we are based out of Agra with an office branch in Delhi, being a leading manufacturer of shoes on a large scale, our deliveries and warehouse operations span all over India. We are known to be the only company to directly manufacture shoes on conveyor belts at such low prices. Let us help you get the best that's out there.